When unexpected rain catches you off guard, an automatic folding umbrella becomes a lifesaver. Compact, lightweight, and easy to use, these umbrellas are designed to open and close with the push of a button, offering convenience and protection on the go. Whether you're navigating a bustling city or heading out for a stroll, a reliable automatic folding umbrella ensures you stay dry without the hassle of manual operation. Here's a roundup of the best 5 automatic folding umbrellas, combining durability, functionality, and style to suit your needs. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Ajwd Automatic Folding Umbrella. With just one hand and 1 second, you're protected. Convenience has never been this effortless. The non-slip wooden handle is a masterpiece in itself. Made from old rattan grown high in the mountains for over a decade, it's a blend of tradition and technology. Polished to perfection, it feels just right in your hand, offering a comfortable grip that won't slip even in the harshest rain. Facing the wind? No problem. With a 32-piece fiber skeleton and a double-keel glass fiber design, this umbrella is built to withstand extreme weather. Its reinforced steel middle bar ensures stability, while the robust frame resists heavy rain and winds like a pro. The high-density NC fabric with lotus leaf technology repels water effortlessly. Just shake it off, and you're good to go. No wet mess, no fuss. But it's not just about rain. With a UPF 50+ sun protection index, this umbrella blocks over 99% of harmful UV rays. Stay cool and protected under its high-tech sunscreen coating, which lowers the temperature and gives you an instant sense of relief. Need more coverage? The enlarged 108 cm surface area ensures you and your loved ones stay dry. No more wet clothes, no more compromises. Whether you're braving a storm, blocking out the sun, or simply staying prepared, this umbrella is your perfect companion. Stylish, strong, and reliable because you deserve nothing less. Pros: wooden handle, functionality, comfort, and convenience. Cons: weight, repair, and maintenance. Number 4. Mijia A Automatic Folding Umbrella. Rain or shine, storms or sun, one umbrella does it all. Introducing the 3rd generation fully automatic folding umbrella from Mijia A, the ultimate protection for any weather. Say goodbye to the hassle of opening and closing your umbrella. With Mijia's one-button automatic collection, a single press gives you instant coverage. Fully automatic opening and closing make every journey more convenient. Designed for adults, this umbrella boasts an impressive 120 cm coverage. Big enough for 2 people, yet compact when folded to just 31 cm. Whether it's a romantic stroll or shielding a friend, you're always prepared. Engineered with 24 reinforced, thickened ribs and a wind-resistant double-frame design, this umbrella is built to withstand the harshest storms. Its aviation alloy frame ensures durability, making it your trusted companion for extreme weather. Protect yourself from harmful UV rays with our UV-resistant material and black glue coating. Offering UPF 50+ protection and reducing body temperature by up to 6 degrees, it's perfect for hot, sunny days. Experience the power of nano water repellent technology. With a waterproof level 5 rating, water beads right off, keeping you dry and the umbrella looking sleek. The triple fold design combines style, portability, and practicality. Compact enough to carry anywhere, yet powerful enough to handle any weather challenge. Don't let the weather dictate your plans. Get the Mijia fully automatic folding umbrella today, your all-in-one solution for rain, sun, and storms. Available now. Protect what matters. Pros: convenience, protection, portability, and durability. Cons: potential for breakage and environmental impact. Number 3. LemonTree 60 Bone Automatic Folding Umbrella. Meet the umbrella that does it all. Designed with multidimensional technology and sleek mechanical aesthetics, LemonTree combines innovation, durability, and elegance in one compact package. One-handed operation makes it incredibly easy to open and close. No waiting, no hassle. Whether you're stepping out into pouring rain or blazing sunshine, LemonTree's fully automatic functionality has you covered. Crafted with high-density 210T Teflon material, this umbrella offers IPX6 waterproof performance. Inspired by the lotus leaf effect, rainwater doesn't stand a chance. And with 72 sturdy fiberglass ribs, it's built to withstand strong winds, ensuring exceptional durability. Need more coverage? LemonTree's upgraded canopy is 10% larger than traditional 3-fold umbrellas, offering enough room for 2. Perfect for sharing protection from the rain or sun. Rain isn't the only thing you're shielded from. With UPF 50+ sun protection, our umbrella blocks 99% of harmful UV rays while keeping you cool under its advanced black glue composite coating. Comfort meets style. The skin-friendly, bright color handle is not only visually striking but also ergonomically designed for a perfect grip. It's as easy on your hands as it is on your eyes. Compact and portable, the LemonTree umbrella folds down small enough to fit in your bag, briefcase, or even your car. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or camping, it's the ultimate companion for unpredictable weather. Pros: convenience, durability, functionality, and design. Cons: environmental impact and possible wind damage. Number 2. LemonTree C-135CM Automatic Folding Umbrella. Ever been caught in the rain, fumbling with a clunky umbrella while juggling your bags? Introducing the LemonTree C-135CM Automatic Folding Umbrella, where innovation meets convenience. With our auto-open/close technology, say goodbye to the hassle of manual umbrellas. Just one button, and you're instantly protected whether you're stepping out of your car in a downpour or carrying a handful of groceries. Crafted with premium 260T Teflon water-repellent fabric, the C-135CM not only keeps you dry but dries quickly, perfect for those on the go. Built to withstand gale force winds up to level 8, our umbrella combines a sturdy aluminum alloy frame with 12-bone fiberglass ribs, offering unmatched durability. No matter how tough the weather gets, the C-135CM has you covered. Safety first. The 360 reflective strips enhance visibility, ensuring you're seen even in low light conditions. Rain or shine, day or night, your safety is our priority. Designed with a touch of elegance, our handle is as comfortable as it is durable. Its ergonomic design ensures a smooth grip for all-day use. Compact, portable, and lightweight, the 3-fold design makes it easy to store in your car, briefcase, or travel bag. Whether you're heading to work, camping, or just running errands, the C-135CM fits right in with your lifestyle. With a large 135 cm diameter, this umbrella provides ample coverage for up to 4 people. Perfect for family outings or sharing with a friend in a sudden downpour. Pros: convenience, durability, large canopy, safety, and stylish. Cons: potential for mechanical issues and wind vulnerability. Number 1 and the winner. Zuodu No 3 Automatic Folding Umbrella. Rain or shine, fashion or functionality, why settle for anything less than perfection? Introducing the Zuodu, where cutting-edge technology meets unparalleled style. Feel the difference with the soft cotton handle designed for comfort and portability. It's not just an umbrella, it's an accessory that speaks to your impeccable taste. With just one touch, watch the Zuodu umbrella unfold like magic. Thanks to our 4th generation upgraded structure, enjoy a softer, smoother operation with every use. Crafted with 300T waterproof technology, experience the lotus leaf effect. Rainwater shakes off effortlessly, keeping you dry and stylish wherever you go. This is not just a rainy day essential. The Zuodu umbrella doubles as your sunshade companion, offering unbeatable UV protection. Be the trendsetter. With cool, fashionable patterns, the Zuodu umbrella ensures you're the coolest person in any weather. Express your style and radiate confidence. Engineered with upgraded double-row, double-line technology, the Zuodu umbrella delivers unmatched stability and zero leakage. Conquer the fiercest storms without a worry. Lightweight. Compact. Reliable. The 3-fold design makes it the perfect travel companion, ready to go wherever life takes you. Zuodu Automatic Folding Umbrella, redefining convenience, craftsmanship, and style. Be prepared. Be stylish. Be you. Pros: automatic folding, cool travel, layer-by-layer optimization. Cons: wind resistance and durability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.